Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we'll show you how to remove and replace transmission mount on Toyota Highlander. This one is a 4-cylinder, but I think the 6 will be very similar procedure as well. Stay with us guys, we will have quite a few videos on that vehicle on our channel, probably 40-50 videos coming soon. So you know how to fix things. We'll have a control arm replacement, strut replacement. Okay, and that's the transmission mount right here. The only thing that we removed, as you can see, is the fender, but you will not need to do that. We're just painting a new fender for it. And all you have to do is jack up the car, you can see, put it on a stand, and you need to take the tire off. Next guys, you need to get the jack, okay, and you need to jack up between the transmission and the engine on the bell housing there with a wood block. Never ever use a jack without a wood block because you're going to punch a hole in the transmission that way. Okay, and we'll need to do that because we'll need to lift the engine up. You see why. We're going to remove that plastic with just two 10mm bolts that we're removing now. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and remove that nut with 19mm socket now. And the ones, there is a few more that are on the bottom there with 17mm. We'll get to them in a little bit. Okay, right there you can see it's a little bit tight, but not too much. So we'll just go ahead and take this one off now. Alright guys, we got the ratchet, that way we can do it a little bit faster, it's easier. Once you break it loose, they usually go easy. Okay, and this one is out of there, and we have 3 more bolts that we'll need to remove now, you see. Okay, nut is out. If you go underneath, there is 2 caps, plastic caps that you need to remove, okay, and under those are 2 17mm nuts that we'll need to remove, and there is one on the side, a third one that we'll need to remove as well. Alright guys, so we're gonna take these nuts off now. All 3 of them, 2 are under the plastic caps, 1 is there. Alright, this one is a little bit tight. It's not very complicated procedure, but it takes some time. And quite a few videos guys coming soon. We will have even in the future a live session, so don't forget to subscribe guys. If you have any channel any questions about fixing anything on the channel, any vehicle, you'll be able to reach us in our live sessions in the future. Okay, almost out, the last one now. Yeah, okay, perfect. Okay guys, next we'll need to remove the bolt for that mount there. Okay, you can see the engine mount, but what we need to do, we'll need to have the jack a little bit up, supporting there. Okay, came out. Now we need to move the engine a little bit so we can get the bolt out. You can usually reach it from here, but since we don't have the fender, we can go ahead and get it from the other side. This is the bolt guys, so we need to make sure that you have everything leveled, not to have pressure on that bolt. Now we can keep jacking, okay, the engine up. Okay guys, so we jacked it up. And we got the transmission out of there, as you can see. Alright guys, so that's how you remove and replace transmission mount. We're gonna put everything together in a little bit. You need to make sure that you install that mount here when you're done. You have to be careful how you jack the engine up, not to cause any damage to the transmission engine. It's your responsibility. And there is a special transmission jack that you can use for that purpose too, but always be careful when you do that. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.